If you want to tape down the side bumpers, you can use one of our adhesive double-sided tapes. The first one with the green cover is the mount tape. It has got a foam backing and it's very vibration resistant. The second one with the red lid is the HS acrylic one, which has extremely power of bonding. For both of the tapes, it's important that the surface is dry and not under 15 degrees centigrade. This is the small car system plastic repair. The use is very simple. You use the Car Air Rigid for rigid plastics and the Car Air Flexi for flexible plastics. Just take the Car Air gun, load it with the cartridge, open the lid and throw it away. Then you install the tip and the product is ready for use. After using, you should store the cartouche with the tip on it, not to react afterwards in the shelf. If you want to close a small hole like this, just sand the spot a little bit and bring a little tape to the backside of the bumper and then start the plastic repair. The compound will stay open for 5 minutes. Afterwards, you can sand it. In the car system product range, we have two different kinds of underbody protection. One of them is the KS500, which is on a bitumen basis. The other, KS800, is on a wax basis. Both of the products are applied with an underbody protection gun, which has an adjustable nozzle set. For renewing and retreating of smaller parts, you can also use the products in spray cans. Before spraying the KS500 underbody protection, be aware to shake it well and open the tin. The KS100 is the same material than KS500, but it's applied with a KS brush. The KS800 is an underbody protection on wax basis, and also here, don't forget to shake it well and open the tin. For stone chip protection, we provide three different materials. The economic one is the KS1000. The high solid HS system is KS3000, which can be tinted with normal base paint up to 25%. The third material is KS4000. It's a water-based material and can be tinted with water-based paint up to 25%. You can apply these materials with the KS gun, which is very good adjustable because it has three valves. One is the air incoming, the other is the amount of material, and the third valve is for adjusting the atomizing pressure. The KS1000 stone chip protection is an elastomer-based product that provides asbestos-free long-term corrosion protection. The material is permanently elastic, can be painted over after 30 to 60 minutes, and it's PVC compatible. It reduces road noise and creates an optimal surface structure for long-term protection from stones, road salt, and corrosion. The Stone Chip Protection KS3000 is a UV resistant and permanently elastic product. It is also suitable for use on PVC parts to protect front spoilers and aprons from being chipped by rocks. It can also be painted over shortly after application, about 20 minutes. Stone Chip Protection KS3000 White can be tinted to match your car color using any commercial automotive paint. Do not use hardener, do not use more than 25% of paint. KS4000 is a water-based stone chip protection with sound deadening and anti-corrosion properties. The product accords fully to the European VOC laws. After 60 till 120 minutes, the KS4000 can be painted over with all conventional 2K acrylic and base coat systems, also with water-based paint. It can be tinted with water-based paint up to 25%. The Uniflex MS is a sprayable seam sealer for overlapping plates and welded seams in original structure. It is fast drying, overpaintable, and of course free of silicones. The MS Air Gun is made for spraying the Uniflex MS seam sealer. Due to the two different valves, you can adjust the structure as you want. Uniflex MS is a sprayable seam sealer. It is fast drying, overpaintable, and free of silicone. The Uniflex MS Gun is easily adjustable to the original structure. The Uniflex PU is a fast drying, overpaintable bonding and sealing compound. It is suitable for the flexible bonding of GRP or metal, for sealing gaps, seams, and joints. It's always applied with the Uniflex Gun Classic, which you only can use for cartridges, or with the Uniflex Gun Top, which you can use for cartridges and aluminium bags as well. For the rebonding of windscreens and side windows, we provide two different kinds of materials. The Uniflex Glass is the first one, and the waiting time is at 15 degrees centigrade without passenger airbag 4 hours and with a passenger airbag 7 hours. The second material is the Uniflex HM. It is especially suitable for aluminium car bodies to protect them from corrosion. Furthermore, it is low conductivity for integrated antennas and high modulus for extra strong torsion stiffness. Waiting time until first drive after bonding at 15 degrees centigrade without passenger airbag is 3.5 hours and with passenger airbag is 4 hours. The KS2100 is a two-in-one product. It is a stone chip protection and a sprayable seam sealer as well. It's always used with the KS gun because you have 3 different valves in it where you can adjust every structure you want. KS2100 is an outstanding combination of overpaintable, sprayable seam sealer and stone chip protection with good anti-corrosive and sound deadening properties. It's overpaintable after 180 till 240 minutes. Please use a thin shift of primer before painting over with a 2K acrylic paint. The KS gun is ultra flexible in adjustment. For the protection of the inner sides of doors and panels, we provide two different materials. The KS200, which is slightly transparent brown, provides very nice creeping capacities. The KS300 is slightly white, transparent, and has a high melting point. The KS200 is designed to protect hollow cavities in the vehicle from corrosion. It has a wax-like consistency that leaves an elastic film on the underbody once the solvent evaporates. Its ability to flow into tight spaces, repel water, and adhere well to metal will provide reliable rust protection for several years. The KS300 cavity protection wax has a hydrophobic and penetrating effect. Once the solvent evaporates, the product leaves a slightly sticky, glazed, wax-like film. It has an excellent heat resistance and can therefore be used on parts of the engine as well.